Hello, everybody. How are you all doing? This is Jyoti Dogra this side, and I welcome you all to this new session on palmistry. So, first of all, we have crossed 2,800 subscribers. So, I congratulate myself at first, and then the whole family who is making it possible. I love you all so much for the support you people have been giving constantly. So, yeah, without wasting time, let us start with this today's video. Today, we are going to talk about the Jupiter mount. So Jupiter is very important mount in one person's palm, because the Jupiter mount is the one which will be telling about a person's personality, and how the person takes himself or herself. Like, some people are very conscious about themselves. They are very much inclined towards self respect. For them, status is matters more than money. I mean, they are, the position in the society that matters more. So people who have a very prominent Jupiter are good leaders. They have good leadership qualities, and they are always seen at higher positions in life. I'm just going to show you in this palm. This palm belongs to one of my client. So here, this is your region of Jupiter. The area below the index finger, that's your Jupiter region. So yeah, this is your Jupiter region. So in this palm you can see this Jupiter is very well developed, and then you have a cross on the Jupiter. A very well formed cross is there on the Jupiter. So when you have a cross on Jupiter, firstly it tells that you have good leadership qualities, you have good learning skills, and then this also tells you that you will have a very harmonious, a very good married life and your love relationship. So if you have a very developed Jupiter as well as your Venus, then such a kind of a person is very lucky, and they get their true love, and they are successful in the love relationships also. So a very well developed Jupiter and your Venus will tell that the person is very successful in the love relationships, and they are often seen to marry their loved ones. I mean, with whom they had an affair, they ultimately settle with that person in life. So yeah, very well developed Jupiter is very good. Then if you have very good Jupiter, such a person is very good leader. So they are also seen at very good positions in society. And then if you have a ring of Solomon here on the Jupiter mount, so even that is very good, because such a person will always be doing charity and wants to work for the welfare of others. So such people are seen to be successful political leaders, and they can do social work also. Along with your Jupiter mount, if you have a pointed the fingers, if your fingers are pointed, like in this it's quite flat, but if your fingers like little pointed, so this indicates that this person is definitely having a very good Jupiter, and all the Jupiterian qualities will be present in this person. Now one more thing I want to tell, that if your Jupiter is not prominent, it's not well developed, and Jupiter is flat, so this indicates that such a person they will not have the Jupiterian qualities. So बनते बनते काम बिगड़ जाएंगे. I mean, they are gonna do some work and then they are stuck up somewhere. So that is not a very good thing if the Jupiter is flat. Now, if the Jupiter is overly well developed, so if it is bulging, it's bulging a lot. If it's overly developed, then that indicates that such person, instead of being a very good leader, instead of leading some organization, such person tends to develop egoism, and then they try to look down upon others, they try to insult others. ऐसे लोग अपनी लाइफ में लोगों का निरादर करना शुरू कर देते हैं, उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. आई मीन, वो ईगो इतनी ज़्यादा उन पर हावी हो जाती है कि वो अपने बड़ों तक की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते. तो ओवरली डेवलप्ड जुपिटर बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं होता. बट इफ़ यू हैव अ वेल डेवलप्ड जुपिटर, देन इट्स वेरी गुड. इट विल हेल्प यू, बिकॉज अगर किसी इंसान का सन माउंट बहुत अच्छा है, उसका मून बहुत अच्छा है, उसका वीनस बहुत अच्छा है, तो वो इंसान अपनी लाइफ में अलग अलग तरीके की तरक्कियाँ करता है. मरकरी बहुत अच्छा है तो वो बिज़नेस में अच्छा करेगा. सन अच्छा है तो वो बाकी लोगों से अच्छा कनेक्ट हो सकता है, उसका काम रिकग्नाइज़ होता है. तो बाकी सारे माउंट जो हैं वो हमें तरक्की दिलाते हैं, पर वो तरक्की हमारे लाइफ में कब तक रहेगी, कितने टाइम तक रह पाएगी, ये जुपिटर डिसाइड करता है. अगर आपका जुपिटर अच्छा नहीं है, आप बहुत मेहनत करके ऊपर तो पहुंच जाओगे, लेकिन वहाँ से गिरते टाइम नहीं लगेगा. सो जुपिटर का अच्छा होना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो for how long you have the success sustaining in your life, for how long you will be successful, the success will stay in your life, that is decided by Jupiter. So a good sun, a good moon, a good Venus will give you different things in life, but for how long those things will sustain in your life is all decided by Jupiter. So that was all I wanted to say about Jupiter. If you have cross kind of an indication on Jupiter, it's very good. It shows that you will have good leadership qualities, you have good learning qualities. Such people can also go for higher studies. If you have Ring of Solomon, that also I've told you, this person is more inclined towards the charity work, and they can be good judges, good philosophers. Then if you have very good pointed fingers, sometimes when you have these very well developed pointed fingers, then such person also develops interest in astrology and stuff. So yeah, if you have that, then definitely you can also try for such things. So yeah, that was it, I guess. That's all about Jupiter. And I also wanted to say, if you don't have Jupiter very well developed, then you can do some of the things. कुछ उपचार मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. What you can do is, थर्सडे को आप गाय को अगर गुड़ खिलाएं तो वो बहुत अच्छा होता है. सो थर्सडेज को गाय को गुड़ खिलाना, सफ़ेद कपड़ा पहनना, ये सब कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आप करके देख सकते हैं. गरीबों को दान दें, जितना हो सके ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गरीबों को दान दें, उससे आपका जुपिटर स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स विच यू कैन फॉलो, एंड आई होप यू ऑल द best for life. Bye bye, take care. So that was all we have to say about Jupiter Mount. Now I'm going to show you my Instagram account. So this is my Instagram account, says Nakronex. So what you can do is, if you have any query, you can come to my Instagram account, you can follow me in my Instagram account, then send me one palm pic and with your question, with hashtag AskJyoti. Like, people have been sending me their queries. I'm going to show you the example of it. So okay, so yeah, you can send me questions like this with hashtag AskJyoti with your palm pic, and I will be answering you in the next coming videos of hashtag AskJyoti session. So yeah, this is how people have been asking me questions. So I definitely answer one question for free, so you feel free to ask me any question which you want to know. So that was it. Yeah, so that's my Instagram account. Nakronex. You can come here, follow me on my Instagram account, send me your palm pic along with hashtag Ask. Why am I fumbling so much? With hashtag AskJyoti, and then I will be answering you. So yeah, that was it, I think. Bye bye, take care.